really nice. And the snow is there's gonna be snowstorm today. Yes, look at the streets. Yup. Look, 360 view. Train is right there. 360. Yeah, my dad's right there. So yes. No, and the car is coming. Ah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna post this video probably today, tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you in a few, guys. Bye. I'm back outside, and yeah, as you can see, it got a little bit harder. The snow is hard. I believe the storm is already arriving here. So yeah, look at that. Yep. I came out to take some pics with my sister, my mom. And look at the car. It's trying to go through. And yeah, it's kind of slippery, the streets. Wait for me. So yeah. Yep. My sister's going up. They're going up because the baby, it's not good for him. He could get sick, and so yeah, brought him back inside. The snow is pretty well. It haven't snowed here in New York for so long. The last time it snowed like this hard was, I believe, in 1996. And yeah, since then it just snowed a little bit. Yeah, some cars right behind me is coming. So you can see it's trying to go slowly, I believe. No, actually it's parking. So yeah, guys, in a few my sister will be coming down. I'll be taking some pics. Everyone, it's Saturday already, and it's sunny today. This is how you look. So yeah, the streets are already clean from the sidewalk, but not yet the streets over there. So yep, going home back inside. Yes. Look, pretty view from here. It's sunny. So yeah, bye guys, see you tomorrow.